18. Yep. Yep. Look at that flawless. All right, flawless time. Good luck. Right after we finish flawless, eminence. Good luck, everybody. Flawless. What's going on, folks? Connor right here from Mojobreak.com for Wednesday, January 20th, 2021. Doing another single briefcase of brand new high-end 2021 Flawless Collegiate NBA basketball. This is random. This is a random left side serial number style break number 8. Let's go random.org to determine your numbers. First, we're going to roll the virtual dice on random.org to see how many times we randomize. If we roll a snake eyes, it would have fall to 3 randoms. This break will go 9 times, 5, 4, 9. All right. All cards in Flawless are numbered to 20 or less, so we're going to randomize your left side serial numbers 1 through 29 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9th and final time on the random. 5, 4, 9. Boom. 11 down to 3. After 9 randoms, 11 down to 3. 9 times on the random. Okay, now we're going to randomize your names 9 times and match it up to the numbers. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9th and final time on the random. Boom. Calendar 100. Calendar 100 down to KG Will on the bottom. That's 9 times. All right, let's check out your numbers real quick, and then we'll get right into the break. Zoom in a little bit. Calendar has the 11th spot. KJ Will 9. Hoff Boy Scott 7 and 2. KJ. I keep saying KJ. It's KG, like my boy Kevin Garnett. KG 10. Calendar 8. A Durga with the 13th spot. Gala 6. Turbo 20. Munster 5. A Durga 17. Ender 4. Pearl with the 19 spot. Mule 15. Apple Granny 14. KG 1. Calendar 16. Emla Rosa 12. Calendar 18. And KG has the 3 spot. All right, let's get right into it. Good luck. Get the numbers on the screen here in a sec. Boom, let's go. All right, Eminence coming up next. Hit random number 6, and it's likely our it's gonna be our last Eminence case too. It's the only one we have left. No more. Remember day in September. Okay, up top, rookie patch, Sadiq Bey. And that's for the 5 spot. 5 out of 10. Sadiq Bey, jumbo patch. See here, 5 out of 10. Sadiq Bey. 5 spot Munster. Three color Duke patch. Z. 7 out of 10 Zion Williamson. Scott with the Zion. Very nice. Auto of Roy Hibbert, the greatest pacer of all time. Roy Hibbert. 2 out of 20. Legacy auto. Scott. Big Roy Hibbert. Warriors rookie auto of Nico Mannion. 6 out of 20. 6 spot is Gala. 6 out of 20. Rookie Nico Mannion. Gala 6. Rookie patch auto Sadiq Bey. 14 out of 20. Sadiq Bey. 14 Apple Granny. That's a Pistons rookie. Rookie patch auto 10th overall Jalen Smith. That's going out to the 4 spot. 420. Jalen Smith. Suns rookie. 4 spot Ender. And nice one on the bottom. It is a Obi top and gold parallel rookie auto. 7 out of 10 Obi top. Obi Toppin. Scott with the 7th spot. All right, going inside for the main hits. Good luck. 3 more hits. What we got in here? Oh. Somebody's going home. Big up tonight. All right, Diamond rookie, 6 out of 15, Patrick Williams, 4th pick overall, Chicago Bulls rookie, 6 out of 15, Gala. Congrats, Gala. All right, and another rookie diamond. This one's for the 4 spot, Cassius Winston, the greatest pacer of all time, of course. 4 spot Ender slot, 4 of 15. And the main hit of the briefcase is a one of boom! LaMelo. Jeez. KG. My boy Kevin Garnett. KG will. 101 LaMelo. Flawless college. Gotta love it. 101 LaMelo Ball rookie patch auto. All right, that was it, everybody. Number 8. We got number 9 going down tomorrow. Congrats, everybody that got a hit in this one. Last break of the night. Our last case of eminence coming up next. Case 9 of Flawless tomorrow. All right, let me go grab that case, guys. I'm going to go put Flawless away real quick. I'll go grab eminence, and we'll get right into it. I remember the last day September. Black, got the thing on me. Can't really much clay to be.